Happy Monday. Hope everybody had an awesome spring break. Today, we are starting our new assignments for NTI in Simple Solutions. I've given everyone a private comment on your Google Classroom stream that has your personal username. Inside of each assignment, I've listed our school code and everyone's password is simple. It's simple. All right, today we're talking about quiz number 8. So I am going to review the B version of the quiz. You will be taking the A version. So I hope you watch the video before you do your quiz. Let's get started. The first question asks, what is 702 minus 488? So you will need scratch paper to do these. They're all multiple choice, but they will require scratch paper to complete them. All right, so I started my ones place. Can I take 8 from 2? No, I cannot. But can I borrow from that 0? No, but I can box it. Let's box out the 70. And 69 is before 70. Now I can add 10 more. 12 take away 8 is 4. 9 take away 8 is 1. And 6 take away 4 is 2. 214. All right, number 2 says, is 77 closer to 70 or 80? And it gives me a number line, so I can visually see that 77 is closer to 80, but I also know that when I'm rounding, when I look next door, the 7 in that ones place is going to raise the score. So that is going to be closer to 80. All right, number 3, 434 plus 293. 4 plus 3 is 7. 3 plus 9, 12. 1 plus 4 is 5. Plus 2 more is 7. 727. All right, number 4. Fill in the sign to make this true. 854 and 584. Which number is larger? Well, the alligator is going to open its mouth to the larger number, and that's going to be the 854, so I'll put the greater than symbol. Number 5, 2 times 6. 2 times 6 is 12. Number 6, Ryan sent 45 messages on Monday. Okay, that looks like something I probably need to underline. And 83 messages on Tuesday. We'll go ahead and underline that. He sent 197 messages on Wednesday. Whoa. How many more? I'm going to circle how many more, because we know that how many more means that I'm going to subtract. Good job. How many more messages did Ryan send on Wednesday than Monday and Tuesday together? And together lets us know that we're going to add. Yes. Okay, so Monday and Tuesday together. This is a two-step problem. So I'm going to start with Monday is 45 and Tuesday is 83. We said we're going to add those. 5 plus 3 is 8. 4 plus 8 is 12. So now I have 128 for Monday and Tuesday together. Wednesday was 197. We're trying to find the difference, which means we are going to subtract. I cannot take 8 from 7. So I have to go next door, make that 9 and 8, and that 7 a 17. 17 minus 8 is 9. 8 minus 2 is 6. And then 1 minus 1 is 0. So the difference, how many more messages did Ryan send on Wednesday? Ryan sent 69 more messages on Wednesday than Monday and Tuesday together. All right. Number 7 is a fraction. What fraction is shaded? Fill in the missing denominator. So it already has my top of the fraction here, which we know is called the numerator. And that's what answers the question. And it says how many are shaded. And I can see 2 of the cats are shaded. So my denominator is how many there are in all. Shaded, unshaded, everything. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4 cats in all. 2/4. 2/4 is also equivalent to a half, 1/2, because 2 is half of 4. All right, number 8. Tommy has 4 trees in his yard. There are 2 birds in each tree. In each means that I'm going to be multiplying or dividing. Let's see. How many birds are in Tommy's yard? Okay, so if it wants to know how many there are in all, then I'm going to multiply. Draw a picture to help you. Okay, so I'm going to draw 4 trees. Sorry, my art is not the greatest, especially holding this board. Okay, and then I'm going to put 2 birds in each tree. I'm just going to draw circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That is the same as 4 groups with 2 in each group, which gives me 8 birds in all. Good job. All right, number 9. These are the ones that always give us fits when we do our quiz. Okay, make sure you understand what it's asking you to answer here. 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 means the same as, remember, my first factor is the number of groups. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 groups. So it's 6 groups of, and I'm using 2 each time. And then down below, I put that in word form, 6 groups of 2 and equals 6 times 2 is 12. Good job. All right, number 10. The number line is divided into 4 equal parts. Fill in the missing fractions. Well, we can see that it's already got 0/4, 1/4, blank, 3/4, blank. So I've never changed my denominator, so I know they're going to be fourths. And then when I go in order, 0, 1, 2/4, 3/4, 4/4, and I can see that 2/4 is the same as 1/2, and 4/4 we know is also equal to 1 whole. Great. All right, number 11. Count by tens. 100, 110, blank, blank, 140, 150. So after 110, I'm going to have 120, then I'm going to have 130. It's already given me 140, and after 140 will be 150. Good job. Number 12. Chef Vicencio bought 82 kilograms of pasta for the Italian restaurant and cooked 33 kilograms on Monday. How many kilograms were left? Were left is another subtraction keyword. So if the chef had 82 kilograms and he cooked 33 of those, and I subtract, I cannot take 3 from 2. So I've got to go next door and get 10 more. 12 minus 3 is 9. 7 minus 3 is 4. So the chef now has 49 kilograms, which, do you remember what a kilogram? Yes, good job. The kilogram, he has 49 kilograms left of the pasta. Good job. All right, here we go. Number 13. Oh, I did that out of order. No, I did that all the time. It's okay, because it's fine. This should have been 13. Let's go back to 12. I'll just change this. It's okay, because this is like real life, Miss Turner. You know I skip these all the time, and we get missed. I don't have you all telling me I skipped it. It's all right. Put these numbers in order from least to greatest. Okay, well, from least, so I'm going to look in my hundreds place. I have a 7, a 5, a 5, and a 7. Well, my 5s are going to be the lowest, so I automatically can look at those. Now I move on to the 10s. 7, 7, same. Now let's go to the 1s. 7 and 5. 5 is the least. So I'm going to start with 575. Then I can go ahead and do my 577. I'm going to mark those out. So now I'm ready for the next two. 775, 755. I'm going to come over here and do the 755. Then I can do the 775. All right, 2 more. Circle the shape that shows 1/6 shaded. Well, I know that means it has 6 parts. Let's look at the first shape. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1 is shaded. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. No, that's 1/8. So it's going to be the hexagon. 1/6 is also a unit fraction. Remember, unit fractions have a 1 in the numerator. Last question. What time will it be in 15 minutes if it is 2:30 now? Well, if it is 2:30 and I add 15 minutes, then that's going to make it 2:45. All right, guys. All of these questions you will see on your quiz today. They will not be the same numbers, but they will be the exact same computations, which means you will do the same type of work. Grab you a piece of scratch paper to work it out. If you have any questions, message me, text me, call me, and I'll be glad to help. I've also added 100 new Prodigy problems, so get on Prodigy and play. You don't have to finish all 100. Play for 15 or 20 minutes. Play longer if you want, but when you finish, please make sure in the classroom that you hit the turn in button so I know that I can go check it for you. I love and miss you all so much. I'll see you tomorrow in our video.